Hello guys, good evening. Today learn about logistic regression and decision tree classifier and apply implementation of programming through. So here first load the data set and modules like basic libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn, pyplotlib, okay, scikit-learn model selections. Here import the logistic regression and decision tree classifier. Okay, so first here collecting the sample data set of a loan detection, that is load here using pandas pd.readcsv to load the data set. Okay, age, camping, pending days, okay, that is the records and that is the fields. So performing the basic ADA operations like df.head that provide the top of the values head of the dataset, df.info for every columns and that is provide the data type, here integer 64-bit in all, and name of the column, not null count, here not null count, every time unique values. So 60 fields here, integer 64-bit of all data type, 18.9 MB of memory usage. Okay, next df.describe that describe the mean, std, mean and the data set where the high and low activities. Next df.isNull.sum that count the null values. Okay, here 0 means not null count, all have unique values in the data set. Next find the distribution between age, camping and pending days. So showing using histogram plot to plot the every distribution. Okay, pending days mostly 0 and here highly distribution of age. Okay, so here find the correlation between all fields with another fields. It is very important to find the relations between fields. Okay, so pending days with pending days is high, that is simple, with another age with pending days is very low relation. Okay, that is basically used for how to relation between the fields and find the high and low relation. Okay, now perform the logistic regression. Here start the logistic regression actually. So first independent and dependent variables separated with x and y. Second thing, split the data set into train and test data set. Okay, using training underscore test underscore split. Here training data set and independent and dependent variable with respect to test size 0.20 means 20% data set into testing. Okay, here both used train size and test size. Okay, only one you can use here for training or testing. random state is of by default 42 for not change or repeated execution. Okay, here see the train and test data counts. So 32,950 records in a training data set and 8,238 records in testing data set. Okay, same here. That is perform the standard scalar, that is a library of scikit-learn. Now predict the provide the label data x train and y train. Okay, using logistic regression. Here predict the model and their accuracy. It's 89% of accuracy. Okay, that is a good prediction. Show the heat map that actual versus predicted of the model. Okay, it is confusion matrix for the logistic regression. Okay, I hope you can understand. Now next, decision tree classifier. So same steps like separate the independent and dependent data fields. Second, x train and y train, and test. Separate the training and testing data set for both. Shape of the both, how much in training and testing. 32,000 record in training and 8,000 records in testing. Provide the label data set with decision tree classifier algorithm. Here prediction of the model and accuracy. So the 0.82% means 82% of accuracy of the model. And here show the confusion matrix heat map of the decision tree classifier, which is predicted versus actual model to predict him. Okay, so the good prediction of the model. Okay, so thank you. I hope understand, and comment me another thing. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.